Not sure who out there needs to hear this, but I need to be telling this to myself more than anything, first and foremost. Stop slacking and get back to 3D printing, or get back to doing your maintenance, or whatever it is that you've been putting off for however long you've been putting off. I am going through a move right now, and I'm also working 60 hours a week. So I've been justifying to myself, you're busy. You don't need to worry about doing all that stuff right now. And, still been working on projects here and there, but I haven't been putting in nearly the amount of effort that I really should be. And it's starting to cost me. I went through and told myself, all right, you need to just sit down and start doing stuff. And let me bring you in here and show you the first issue that I ran into. So I have a filament clog going on in my extruder right here, and I have been slacking on changing that, and I figured, you know what, I will just take care of that once I finish my move. Well, once I went down and looked at what I needed to do, I realized there's no screws in there. Which, okay, not a big deal. I know exactly where I put those screws. They are just in my little screwdriver kit. Not a big deal. So I go to the box that the screwdriver kit is in, and I find it in multiple pieces, and the screws are gone. So went through the box, couldn't find them. Not the biggest deal in the world, but that means that even though I went through and tried to get everything back up and running, now I can't do it because I put it off, ended up losing the screws. Now I need to wait until I can put in an order to get those screws back in. Again, not the biggest deal. I've been busy, blah, 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 blah. I've been making all kinds of excuses, and if you're not right now, I'm sure you have in the past. I have been working on getting some videos out, working on doing a video for the new setup that I've got going on here. So that'll be out shortly, but you really just need to get back in and do it. Yeah, you can tell yourself that you're busy, you can tell everybody that you're busy and all that stuff, but if you don't do it, it's never going to get done. So stop putting it off and just go and get it done. That's the number one thing. Nobody cares if you do it. It only really matters to you. So you're not going to get anywhere if you just leave everything sitting. So get back in there, make something cool, get your 3D printers running, and we'll see you in the next one. First print back, complete failure. It's good to be back, guys. Alright. So, long story short, get back to doing what you need to do, because nobody's gonna get you there except you. Get it done, guys. Get it done.